All right, check this out. These are crab nets, and you get a set of two. I'm gonna open one up so you guys can see it, how well secure everything is in here. Now, a lot of things are included, including the measuring, because it's needed. So if you're going crabbing in California, there's certain sizes of crab that you need to get. And look at this. They even have the measurements right here. It tells you in their direction of what's the size, all right? So it tells you 5 3/4, 6, and it tells you California in a certain areas too. So they give you a bunch of things. Clams size, so in case you get it, you can always throw them back in case it's not right fitting. You get a set of gloves. This is nice because when you get either fish or crab, you know, you don't want to get caught in those things, right? Now they give you a lot of string to throw into there, and there's 3 points of touch, right, on the actual net, all right, if you guys can see. And they give you a floaty too, so in case you want to track this, all right, or you want to add your own because this is too small for open seas. You got to get something bigger. Now this is if you're going to go to a pier or maybe a sea. And look at this basket, it automatically collapses. And of course they give you the actual lock in here too, so when you lock it in, bring it back up. Look at that. Today we're gonna bring our net, and if you guys notice, we did put our hook in the middle here. So we put some bait in here. We're gonna throw this down on the actual pier because there's crabs in here. We're gonna throw it down to the water. All right, we're gonna throw this back in here. You guys can see that. I'm gonna throw it as a frisbee almost. Let's see. Let's throw it in the water. All right, let's see what we got. It's been about a couple hours already. We're gonna bring the net up. You gotta be careful because it does tangle up in here. Nothing. Bait's gone. They took the bait.